The butterfly effect in parallel worlds. How a small change can reshape destiny. A journey into the unknown. Imagine you're walking down a crowded street. You stop for just a few seconds to tie your shoelaces. That tiny delay means you narrowly avoid a speeding car that would have otherwise hit you. But what if you had taken a few steps earlier? Or what if you had been distracted and never stopped at all? Would your life still be the same? Or would your destiny have taken a completely different turn? This is the butterfly effect. The idea that a small change in initial conditions can lead to vastly different outcomes. But what if I told you that these shifts don't just affect personal lives, but entire worlds? Let's step beyond imagination and into the realm of parallel realities, where history itself bends and transforms based on the tiniest alterations. Understanding the butterfly effect. The butterfly effect is a fundamental principle in chaos theory, first proposed by meteorologist Edward Lorenz. It suggests that small changes in a system's initial conditions can create unpredictable and massive effects over time. A butterfly flaps its wings in one part of the world, and days later, a storm emerges on the other side of the planet. This may sound like fantasy, but in reality, the world operates in a delicate balance, where even the smallest variables have the potential to reshape everything. But what happens when we apply this concept not just to weather, but to human history? What if a single event, a single decision, had been different? How would our world look today? To answer this, let's travel through time and explore two major historical what-if scenarios. What if Isaac Newton never discovered gravity? In our timeline, Isaac Newton's observations led to the laws of motion and universal gravitation, concepts that became the foundation of modern physics. But what if he had never been there to see that apple fall? What if gravity remained an enigma for generations? In this alternate timeline, the absence of Newton's discoveries alters the course of history. Space exploration is delayed, and the understanding of physics remains rudimentary. Perhaps in this reality, the year is 2025, but humans are only just beginning to consider flight as a possibility. This is the power of a single event in shaping the entire future of humanity. What if Nikola Tesla had moved to Russia instead of America? In our reality, Tesla moved to the United States, where he developed alternating current electricity, laying the foundation for modern electrical grids. But what if he had made a different choice? What if he had accepted an offer from Russia instead? In this timeline, Tesla's genius accelerates Russia's technological advancements. The nation becomes the first to develop wireless energy transmission, and by the mid-20th century, they have a technological empire that rivals our reality Silicon Valley. A single decision, a different future, an entirely new world. How small decisions shape the future. We've explored just two examples of how small changes can ripple through time and rewrite history. But the butterfly effect isn't just limited to great scientists or world leaders. It affects each and every one of us. Every choice we make, no matter how insignificant it seems, has the potential to reshape our future. Perhaps in another reality, you didn't click on this video. Perhaps in another world, your life is entirely different based on a choice you made years ago. The question is, what decisions are shaping your future right now? Now, I want to hear from you. If you had the power to alter one event in history, what would you change? Leave a comment below, and let's discuss the endless possibilities. If you enjoyed this journey through time and parallel realities, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more mind-bending explorations into the unknown. Until next time, keep imagining the impossible.